Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to manage linked accounts on Threads. So I have the account already signed in on my Threads, but I want another account on the same app. So how can I do that? So, as you know, guys, Threads is by Instagram. So, once you got to your Instagram, right here, I want you to make sure that you have more than one account on your Instagram app. Just by you can check it just by tap on your profile right here, and then tap on your name on the top left corner. So right here, as you can see, I have two accounts on my Instagram app. Either I can add the Instagram account by creating a new account or just log into an existing one. So after you create a new account, if you don't have more than one account on Instagram, you just need to head over into your Threads. So once you got back to your Threads, I want you to go into your profile on Threads and then tap on these two lines on the top right corner. After that, I want to scroll down till you can see switch account. Tap on it, and right here I want to add profile, and then you will have the option on here because you already linked an account on your Instagram, and just by tapping on it you will get through it on Threads. Anyways, guys, that's the solution, and that's how to manage linked accounts on Threads. So right here, you just need to set up your profile. Either you want it public or private. So let's just go with public one, and then tap on join Threads. And yeah, this is exactly how to manage linked accounts on Threads. If you want to get back to your account or your main account on Threads, you just need to do the same steps and then switch account, and yeah, right here you will have your previous profile. Just by tapping on it you will get back through it. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching and goodbye.